Guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to discuss in this video reporting scheduling, the issue behind some companies like Granger and Quill no longer reporting to the business credit bureaus. So we're gonna break that down here and discuss the reasoning why. So we're gonna dissect that subject, so stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back. So I have some information for you. Some of you have been also contributing with this issue. A lot of you are saying Granger is not reporting to my business credit. Some of you are also saying Quill is not reporting. I haven't seen their reports in my credit for the longest. So we're gonna dissect that subject. What is going on and what are some of the things that you have to keep in mind when you're placing orders from these companies. Some of this information we have already posted it in previous videos. We have slightly mentioned the information, but today in this video we're gonna really dissect it. We're gonna give you some tips as to what to do to get your orders reported. Before I do that though, I just wanted to ask you to please consider subscribing to our channel. A lot of you really have contributed so much to the channel. Most of you are watching the videos all the way to the end. And while the numbers from non-subscribers views have really decreased a little bit, I just want to take a moment to thank you for watching the content and also to encourage you that, if you haven't subscribed, to consider doing so. For those of you who have helped us to hit 1,000 subscribers, thank you so much. We appreciate it. We're going to continue to post quality video for you. Thank you. So with the reporting thing though, a lot of you have been commenting. I have been really interacting with you via email and also on the comments. This is why it's so cool that I get to interact with you guys on the comment section, because the information is not only coming from me, but a lot of you who have a lot of experience also building your business credit, you have been contributing tremendously, and I really appreciate you guys chiming in, or when you guys also call me out when I'm not delivering accurate information. I really appreciate that. One of the members commented saying that the reason why Quill is not reporting is because they report quarterly. So I do recommend that you call them up and ask them. Just go ahead and pick up the phone, speak with somebody in the credit department directly, and try to figure out why they're not reporting. And you guys know that I've mentioned before that some vendors, they report quarterly. Every 3 months they report. And if you are not purchasing, if you're not placing orders over $50, then they're not going to report those orders. So I'm not sure what some of you are going through and the reasoning directly or specifically why these vendors are not reporting to the business credit bureaus. But I do recommend you though that you speak with them or you revise and check the orders that you've been placing, because if they're not over the $50 mark, they are not going to be reported. So with Granger is the same. So Granger, if your order is not above the $50 mark, they're not going to report. So I'm giving you this information as some of the members had related back to me. So that has been their experience. So they contacted Granger. So they said that their orders are being reported, and Granger told them that they are still indeed reporting to the business credit. So I don't want to say that with Granger and Quill is a hit and miss. I will just, I wanted to strongly encourage you to pick up the phone, and remember that I've always also advised you to build that relationship with the vendors that you're paying your hard-earned money, and that they know who you are, that they know that there is a real person behind the company. So it's always good, strengthening and establishing those relationships, okay? So pick up the phone, call Granger, call Quill, and ask them if they do report to the business credit bureaus. Like I said in my last video, I contacted Office Depot directly and I asked them if they still report, and they say yes, they report. That's why on my last video I said this is the one net 30 that is still reporting to the business credit. And the reason for that assertion is because I contacted them and I spoke directly with them, and they confirmed that they are reporting to Dun & Bradstreet. So a few months back, I spoke with a representative from Quill, and they confirmed to me that they are reporting to the business credit bureaus. So that was about 3 to 4 months back. When I started establishing that relationship with them, when I asked for a net 30, they didn't deny me per se, but they said they wanted me to place orders for 90 days, and after the 90 days that I can place an order, contact them, and that I wanted to have that order invoiced to my company. Other members of this community, they have applied for Quill, and they have been approved instantly. So it varies. It really depends on your business. I'm telling you guys, it really varies from company to company. This is why in our Facebook group we always advise, it's okay to ask a member, hey, what was your experience applying for this vendor? What happened? But the truth of the matter is, guys, that each one of us have a different experience when we are applying for a certain vendor. Like the case that I just mentioned, this member of our Facebook group, they were approved instantly for Quill. However, in my case, they asked me to place orders for 3 months, and then they granted me the net 30 account. So this is why I'm saying, guys, that you have to call your vendor. Do not discard them. I mean, if they do indeed confirm after you call them that they do not report to the business credit anymore, I will suggest you just to drop them, because it doesn't make any sense to be placing orders from them when they are not reporting your transactions to the business credit bureaus. So I really felt the need and the urgency to post this video after speaking with some of the members and really recollecting stories and their experiences. And these are the things that they have experienced, just like my content is based on my experiences with net 30 vendors. Guys, I do recommend some vendors. I do videos sometimes and recommending these vendors to you, but I really don't like making a video that I haven't had a personal experience with. So all of my videos are based on personal experience, what I've gone through with a specific vendor, and what was the application process like. So the same with this, recollection of experiences that I've been doing with the members of this community. These are things that people are telling me because they experienced it firsthand. But regardless of that, remember what I always told you: BYOR, do your own research. You have to fact check all the information that I give you in this channel. While the information is true and it's information that I'm delivering, that I've experienced, you still have to do your own diligence. Guys, thank you so much. Look, we have the ebook, okay? I've been receiving 10 requests a day for the ebook. It's completely free. All you have to do is go to the website. I'm gonna post a link down below so you can go ahead and request a copy of our ebook. It's got a lot of information there. It has information that will guide you to apply and increase your business credit and access lines of credit. So please, I'm gonna post our website down on the description below. Click on the website, fill out the form, and I will send you a copy of our ebook. It's named The Power of Net 30. A lot of you have been really requesting copies every day. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, feel free to post a comment down below. Also, join our Facebook group, guys. I mean, we are sharing information there. There's lots of information that we're sharing, helping lots of business owners with their business credit journey. And feel free to join our Facebook group. If you have any questions, again, either post them down below or join the Facebook group. But that's all I have for today. I wanted to really make this video about, you know, one of the reasonings why Granger and Uline and Quill are no longer reporting. With Best Buy though, they're not reporting, that's definite. But with Quill, Granger, and even Uline, you have to make sure that you speak with them directly to find out whether if they report quarterly or if they have a request or they have a limit request for orders for them to report. In the case of Quill, it's $50 minimum that you have to order in order for them to report. So make sure that you call them, find out. Thank you so much again for helping us hit over 1,000 subscribers. We appreciate each one of you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Do your thing. Don't you worry. Oh, don't you.
Just do your thing. Don't worry about what others think. Just keep on moving
Keep on moving on. Hey.
Yeah.